Nicki Minaj, one of the biggest rapper out of the United States of an American. A man make stop give Jamaican people, bro. You see me? A man come here, a man this human about all human money across his money. That a man talk and say.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many, one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the song. No, play the song.
I feel much.
BlamDem number. Me a BlamDem.
Me not turn lie. Me not pray him for do him nothing.
Every day me a BlamDem the bank call.
Me not gonna lie about that. But me not like him batty man ways. I mean I said brawling. A batty boy that. And I always make a see me there so. I play a blood clot match with him. I because me I get gift for me play match.
Lie Mattel, lie
Mind
Mattel.
game my youth.
Oh, but you did say no gift can't make you bow out. You did say no gift can't make you bow out. So I bow out now, batty boy. Suck your mother. Bumbleclot, Ziggy. Ziggy, me love you, me sofa. Bumbleclot. Come on, chat. Come on. China, you broke hungry, man. Don't size up. Come on, chat. Jesus. Come on, no chat. Come. Chat, hey. Bumbleclot, Ziggy, Bumbleclot. Hey, Ziggy, now get to the back, you know me. I tell her straight. We not on my wheel. If something connect on you, we lead him now. Bumbleclot! Hey! I'm that, you know. I'm that.
All there. I be a mad batty man over there. Where madman Ziggy I go with the little kind them. Ziggy a big madman. Shy a big shit in a plate LGB community. Area big broke people from Africa. God 6'6" a idiot. They be a broke people because Jaydenn gonna suck your mama. You're too bad mind, bro. You can't cancel me. Bro, you cannot cancel me, bro. Bro, you cannot win any match. You're broke. Nobody now support your people. I'm tired of you. Jaydenn, the people, you have to paper. Jaydenn bad mind, bro. Me I tell no people, Jaydenn bad mind. I cry me there, I cry right now. Jaydenn bad mind people. Me can't tell a man bad mind. A man look for me and say, a man text me and say, yo, BlamDem. The people ma cancel me, dog. Please come tell the people them say yo, I prank. And I suck on me there and they fuck around. But if you know say me can't tame, I wanna me dog them call me, bro, and say, dog, I hear that, bro. Fuck you if they do that. Don't do that, bro. You cancel yourself. And the man come and try set me up. Let me think come they tell lie about Fabia breed. And they tell be a bumbuckler lie. Cause suck your mother, boy. Oh. You never know me can't tame. You never know me can't tame. You never know me can't tame. You fuck on you. Ah, shit you. Come down, pussy. Pussy boy, come down. Pussy boy, sorry. You're sick, batty boy. People, return is a people. Bad man, I swear to God, I gotta fi come here and tell me say Fabi breed for you. Fabi not breed. Fabi is not pregnant, bro. I lie, my tell. Paper, I lie, my tell. Fabi not pregnant. I lie. I what? I lie. Lie. Bumbuckler, lie. Fucking idiot, paper, lie. Alright. Lie, my tell. Lie. Oh.
People will say this and that, they just can't stop.
That a girl like King can breed. That a girl like King can breed. Tune the paper. That girl they a blood clot man. That's a man. That the girl like King can breed. Eh? That the girl like King can breed. That the girl is a man. Suck your mama Jaydenn. Cause suck your mama Jaydenn. Me not no friend from your dog. He's a batty man. Jaydenn, me BlamDem tell her right now because suck your mother. Cause suck your mama. Oh.
You know when they set up road now to me.
Suck your mama Jaydenn.
Walmart Plus. It's Walmart Plus. And
Paper, we have to sing our phone. We have to strong.
to stream shows with lots of seasons.
You gotta know how to get around. Yes, you got to be strong. And be all the best.
Youth say me youth have to be strong, youth. Cause see them a batty boy around the place a lurks. Youth say me have to be strong, dog. Me I tell you from your heart. You have to be strong, bro. Cause see if you're not strong in this blood clot place, yeah, them a batty boy come to be a fucker. We believe in them. Them boy are crook.
You can. The world is out there, conquer your face.
Suck your mama, Jaydenn.
Down you way too long.
Yes, you got to be strong. Don't make them manipulate you know. What are them a thief and crook? Now be strong people.
How you doing? Long time I haven't seen you.
Why you manipulating?
No, like a good be nothing manipulating. You got to work hard, I'm telling you. Open pray for the best, cause I believe in you. Not like a stereotype. Cleanliness is being you. Give back some praise for my life. I'm proud of being here. Children can't.
Come on, chat, triple.
Just do the
Triple chat. Come on, chat, you the triple. Come on, chat. 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 You the triple. Come on, chat. Come on, Black, come on, chat. Help, chat, help.
Who say they want a better Jamaica and a better culture? Comment Jamaica flag. Make Jamaica better with a Jamaica flag. Make them go suck them mama. Come here, one bag of batty boy over one live I contact about say. Or BlamDem. I did politics and rec. Go suck on no mama. Turf pass, big up. Big up turf pass. I love bro. One turf pass, one day Jerry Ross. Suck your mama. That thief.
People are filled with
expectations,
that's fine with me. Opportunity comes but once, so it's time for me. I don't think I'll fight up because the sun shine for me.
Jaydenn, just know say it's one of these. Jaydenn, this is one you have fear. Just know say it's one of these days when a fuck you have to stop. I wanna then there, that song you have fear. That song you have fear say. Just one of these days where you fuck you have to stop. Batty boy.
Robin Hood and Little John walking through the forest, laughing back and forth at what the other has to say.
Start your next special moment today with a savings offer just for Florida residents.
Nicki Minaj, one of the biggest rapper out of the United States of an American. A man make stop give Jamaican people, bro. You see me? A man come here, a man this human about all human money across his money. That a man talk and say no. Say human and he my biggest crosses. True human not send him nothing. Yeah, pray people for their money. He's a thief. He's a little bad mind boy. He's a thief. You come here, and once the people them talk if you cost them. Cost the people for their money, we ain't putting in their pocket. You come here, you cost the people for their money.
BlamDem, if you glad for me, bro. BlamDem, if you glad for me, dog.
Yes, a thief.
BlamDem, if you glad for me, bro.
People, everybody saying a rose, dog. Come in and sing a song do this with a thief in Batty Boy. Yes, a thief. Yes, a thief. All right, I'm going to play my song again.
Always keep us smiling.
People, me now come here for the telling serious slide upon Jaydenn. I will never do that, people. Why would I come here telling this serious lie and this youth that I do not know from anywhere, people? That guy is a crook. All right, I remember me telling that. If you no one believe me, bro, I phone the business, bro. You see me? Me not care if you no one believe me, bro. Me was wall and me wall, bro. You see me? Me not beg nobody to believe me, bro. Me not beg nobody to believe me, bro. Cause me come here with my money, bro. You get me? From me come here, me I show me Rolex and my good life, bro. And my table and come here. Bro, me no need to come here and tell like pan a man for no gift, bro, or for nothing bad, man. Maybe not get people shoot for me. You see me? So all them talk about you me want print a gift me, bro. Or me for the tell life you print a gift me, bro. Eh? Ain't people why me don't tell life you print a gift me? Eh? Me no need to do that, bro. Carol again, you. Carol, big up yourself, Carol Wilson. Thank you very much. You see me? Why me don't come here to tell life you print a gift me, bad man? Eh? Watch your batty, man. Watch him. How come I behave? Me no need to tell life you print a gift me, bro. Cause me and me other shooter them bad, man. You see me? Pretty only come when Jaydenn there, bro. I'm grateful for her, same way. Want to when me I win everybody else. Eh? Want to when me I win everybody else, bro. Me gonna make sake I want somebody me to this somebody. If me and Jaydenn a friend, mood they did him, so bro. Suck your mother, look how him a sweat. He burn him. Look how him a sweat. He burn him. Look how him a sweat.
Chat to me, yo, Fabi.
Bro, me have Keko there. Me have Carol here. Me have more people love me. More there. Look what people there. Punky there. Punky have me good gift away. I shoot me for more week. Red Ruby there. Why more, just one gift and more than I go and suffer that? There go on where I go bad man and stop bad man. A Carol are my #1 gift in a match. And Red Ruby. And #2. And Prinny a 3. And me don't tell lies so dog. If Prinny ain't come shoot for me, still not win the match. Me still not win the match if Prinny ain't come shoot. Cause me win the man by 3,000 kind. Go suck your mother, Jaydenn. Go suck your mother, Jaydenn. So no Prinny me there for the so batty boy. Yes, a thief. Yes, a thief. Suck your mother, boy. Oh, cancel your batty boy. I'll be a batty man of support. A Carol me win. I'm blood clot other people. I'm grateful for Prinny. Me not say me ungrateful like the batty boy, I know. I respect Prinny. I respect Prinny.